Clay decided that this was not worth the calories and ran away. So Clay decided to climb onto the kitchen counter. He was very proud of himself until he saw the microwave. He had to try it. So he started pressing random buttons. Ding! The door opened. Clay peeked inside and then walked in like it was an elevator. The door shut, and then Clay stood awkwardly in the spinning tray. Out of nowhere! Whir! The thing started spinning. The light flicked on, and Clay totally freaked out. He was bouncing around like crazy until the door flew open, and he tumbled out, all steamy with his hair sticking up. He glanced around like, did anyone see that? Then, in a panic, he hit another button, and the microwave beeped again. Clay decided that this was not worth the calories and ran away.